हाय, मैं हितेश्वर रॉय। आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। लेट्स टॉक इन इंग्लिश। हाय, आई एम Hiteshwar Roy and salute to all. Everybody, how are you? And in India, I belong from India, and I think at India you can speak English fluently because there are so many people who do not know English. Okay, and who do not know English, you can say English at there, and they can't talk in English, and they can't they can't say you that you are a wrong person on your English, and you can speak English in India very fluently. If you do not know English, then you can't speak English, but if you know something, then you can say any English language in India. So let's talk about the singing show. What is singing? Singing is a passion through idea. That is a only complaint for a nature. There are any more subject of singing. You can singing for nature. You can sing for people, and you can sing for clouds, and every subject is for only your singing. So you can sing any song for your people, and if you think that my video is some helpful, then please share this video to all your friends and to reach all people. We need and I need your support. Our team needs your support, so please support me and support our team YouTube channel. This channel is only for Indian, not for other countries, and if other countries people will come, then I will provide them this video. Okay, don't worry. And this video is only for our Indian country, and our Indian country people do not know English, so I will teach you some English objects, English verbs, some daily routines English, and what you can use on your speaking English, spoken English. Okay, let's talk about our daily subject matter. Which word we can choose for our daily routines conversation? And there are so many things you can use in your spoken English. And first things you can use in your spoken English is you have to know about every objects around you, and their names, their adverbs, and their objective nature, and everything which is around on your. You have to know about them and about name. What I'm saying, you have to know everything's name which around you and what's around you, and in which place you stay. You live. You stay in a village. You live in a village. What is village? VILLAGE. Village. That is village. Village. And after that village, which English you know? School. And where you read? Where you read? You read in a school. You study in a school. Then school, SCHOOL. School. Two noun. One village, second school. As like this, there are, and what is in my upper side? That is tree. And what is tree? TREE. 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 That is tree. And you can see there are a goat. There are a goat. And that is the goat. A goat. GOT. Goat. GOT. And after that, at heaven, who is there? There is our God, and God. As like this, And which flying in the sky? Which animal, which creature can fly in the sky? There is only a bird. Bird can fly in the sky. Then after that you have to think another objects as like you can what is around. You have to see and what is there. And I get a cow. There are a cow. Okay, that is the cow. COW. As like this, you have to search everything what is around you. What is around you have to search, and you have to think about their English name. And as like this, you can only in one day something which you can do, nobody can do. And you know the every words around to you. You have to know, you should know every words what is around you and which animal is around you. You have to know about their name and about their things. Then second things, that's only first things, you know about every object's name. And after that you have to say, and second part of this conversation, you can only use some words as like this, noun, verb. You have to recognize this voice. You have to recognize every words and which you can and what you can use in your conversation. And after that you will be able to speak English. And then there come so many nouns, pronoun, pronunciation, and you have to do every speaking English in fluently. If you want to fluently speak English, then you have to know about everything's names, every object what is around you. You have to know every noun. And after that they are joining form. What is joining form? That I will be teach you at second version, second video. Okay, and let's talk in Hindi. हाँ दोस्तों, मैं आपको सिखा दिया कैसे आप इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो. तो जो भी जिसको भी तकलीफ हुआ थोड़ी सी भी इंग्लिश समझने में, तो मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा उसका बता देता हूँ समरी. तो मैंने बोला कि आपके चारों तरफ जितना भी चीज़ें हैं उसके आपको इंग्लिश फॉर्म पता करना पड़ेगा पहले. जैसे कि काऊ, गॉट, जितना भी प्राणी है तुम्हारे आसपास, गाछ है, सबके तुम्हारा इंग्लिश को सोचना पड़ेगा कि उसका इंग्लिश क्या है. ठीक है, उसका इंग्लिश में नाउन क्या है. ट्री, गाछ को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्री बोलते हैं. इसी तरह आपको सब कुछ के जो भी आपके पास है, जो भी आपके चारों पास है, आसपास है, उसके नाम आपको याद करना पड़ेगा पहले इंग्लिश में. उसके बाद आएगा नाउन फॉर्म. इतने जितने फॉर्म है इंग्लिश का वो सब धीरे धीरे आएगा. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बच्चे को पहले ही टेंस सिखाने लग जाते हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा गलती है. अगर ग्रामर सिखाने लग गए सबको तो काम नहीं बनेगा भैया. ग्रामर तुम्हें कब सिखाने लगेगा? जब तुम्हें नाम पता होगा तभी तो ग्रामर काम करेगा ना. तुम रूल्स सीख रहे हो लेकिन तुम्हें बांग्ला पता नहीं है, या तुम रूल्स सीख रहे हो किसी भाषा पता नहीं है, तो काम नहीं बनेगा. तो पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो भी नाउन्स है, जितना भी चीज़ है उसके बारे में पता करो कि उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते तो क्या बोलते. दैट इज़ द ओनली टाइम. एंड इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं आप, तो दैट इज़ द टाइम आई हैव टू से गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू and nice to meet you. And I think this video, if this video is helpful, please share this video to all your friends and on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, anywhere you can share this video. And I have no problem. You can share this video, and I would say that please share this video to all and help me to reach everybody. Okay. जय हिंद, इंडिया, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय.